On the morning, I was passing through a road and saw a heart-touching scene. Four kids, two with school bags and two with sacks on their shoulders. They were walking on the same path, but their destinations were completely different. Two were heading to school, laughing, talking about homework and dreams. The other two were silently walking with tired faces, collecting waste, just to earn a meal for the day. In that one moment, they crossed paths. Their eyes met. No words, no smiles, just a quiet exchange between two different worlds. That moment hit me hard because it reminded me maturity doesn't always come with education. Sometimes it comes with responsibilities placed too early, with struggles no child should face. Same age, same road, four bags, but two very different lives. If this story touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that open our eyes and hearts. Don't forget to hit the bell icon because sometimes a small story can change how we see the world. And here's a question for you. What do you think truly shapes a person? Education or experience? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.